Hi, my name is Carl Woodridge. I'm 38, 3 kids, married, um, and I work for British Global Services. What do I like to do in my spare time? I like to build things. I'm good with my hands. Play basketball a lot. Spend time with the kids and family. What is network cabling? To me, I think network cabling is running a network for clients or residential from one location to another, either being Cat 6 or fiber optic or coaxial. What made me pursue this line of work? To be honest, I started doing cable when I got out of college, and I liked running the wires. Hooking up the boxes didn't like so much, so I got into a different field from Comcast, went to Verizon, and I ran more conduit than anything. Then I got into actually doing the Cat 6, running phone lines and stuff like that. And I like running the wires easy. A musician or basketball, coach. The first thing I think you should learn in this field is how to run a cable properly. If you can't run a cable to its location properly, you rip it or something, then it's no good. So that's the first thing I think you should learn. The most difficult thing I had to learn was jacking without pass-throughs. Those are the most difficult jacks to use. Trying to push it all the way up to the edge and then crimping them, get them in the right spot. I think that's the most difficult. I don't think I have a specialty. I like doing all of it. I like jacking, I like punching down, I like running the wires. I like doing fiber now. I mean, I haven't learned everything about fiber, but from what I've learned, I like splicing. So I don't think I have a specialty just yet. A small job isn't that bad. I don't see any difficulty in a small job versus a big job. Now, a big job could potentially, in some fields, could be troubling because maybe someone didn't jack right. You can't be at one place at one time, so you have to rely on your teammates to do everything correctly. The advice I would give an upcoming person that wanted to learn about network cabling is to don't stress out. It's going to be hard, but learn as much as you can learn. Learn the basics first. Don't get frustrated because it's tedious work. But once you learn the basic, learn as much as you can after that. Oh man, where was I born and raised? I was born in Landover, Maryland. I grew up, went to school there for about a year or two. Then I moved to Willow Grove, PA, which I went to school there and grew up there. Superman, Beach, Comedy, Pandora, iPhone, ooh, Marvel, ice cream, Pepsi, Dawn. See you guys later. Until next time.